What is the most important in war to stay alive?
ราดนี่กับอันนาหัวลูกโป้นี่หมดแย่หมดลำเลียงนี่ก็ปืนนั่งของคุณ
Actually,
To stay alive. What did he done in the war?
because his friends died, but he stayed alive. Huh?
Yeah.
ของอาคาสิ
These are all bullets?
Yep, all this one.
Bullets or from grenade?
The ball also. The good ball.
Bomb?
Bomb, yeah.
You have to protect yourself with shield, with weapons, and to get food.
Enough resource to survive.
For the end, can you say him? He has really good hair. Really, really good hair.
เรามีเกลือมีเบียร์ก็เป็นเบียร์เสมอเรา80 ปีแล้วเนาะ